Hi guys, it's Onyx. I hope everybody's doing great. So about a week ago, I did a poll on the Instagram stories and I just asked you guys if you would rather see a Epsom salts DIY or a bath bombs DIY. And the Epsom salts, like the bath salts I mean, won by a lot. So I'm gonna be making bath salts today. So the oils that I will be using today for my bath salts are Northern Lights Black Spruce and lavender. I'm just gonna make one batch today. So first we're gonna need about, let's just do a cup of bath salts today. So 1 cup of bath salts. So I got my bath salts in here and now I'm gonna use about a tablespoonful of salt. There we go. So now I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. When you get out of the bath and in the bath, it actually helps moisturize your skin and it helps keep the essential oils on your skin so you can come out and you still smell like them, which is amazing. So here, let's do 2 teaspoons. I have like the biggest bucket ever. Not using all of it. Okay, let's see. So this is 1 teaspoon. 1 more. Sure, that's about it. There we go. So this is just what it looks like. And I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Okay, I'm just making sure that there's no clumps of salt or Epsom salts or sea salt or coconut oil. There we go, so it's all mixed up. So now, let me take it off of my hands. So I'm gonna do about 6 drops of lavender in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And I'm gonna do about 4 drops of the Northern Lights Black Spruce. Whoopsies, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And now I'm gonna mix again. Oh, it smells so good. I might want to put more lavender in here, but it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It's so relaxing. I might just have to hop in the bath. Okay, I'm gonna add about maybe 2 more drops of lavender in here. Yeah, it smells so amazing. Look at this. And yeah, so that's my little DIY recipe. Super easy, you can do it. I don't know, how long did this take me? Like 5 minutes? It doesn't take long. So I know you guys can do it. I'll put all the ingredients in the description down below. Yeah, so comment what your guys', if you guys tried it, and what your guys' favorite essential oils are to put in here. Okay, see y'all soon. Bye.